My throat's doing beatboxing on its own. Dry cough, wet cough, everything. Any home remedy before I lose my voice?
Congratulations! You've unlocked cough mode, where your throat decides to start random concerts at 2 a.m. Microphone. Why? Could be dry weather, viral guest appearances, that let's drink ice-cold soda at midnight genius move. Remedy time, Dottie certified edition. Honey, 1 spoon raw, or mix it in lukewarm water. Nature's cough syrup. Black seed oil, half a teaspoon, morning or bedtime. Ancient wisdom still trending. Optional, squeeze a little lemon in warm water with honey for throat ninja moves. Bonus hack, stop drinking cold things for now, Rockstar. Disclaimer, coughs are tricky. Sometimes they're harmless. Sometimes they need antibiotics. These are home remedies, not Marvel-level cures. Doctor first, remedies later. Especially for kids, elderly, or if the cough's doing stand-up for more than 3 days.